Election-related news now. Unlike other states, Rajasthan also witnessed a fairly high turnout today for the 200-seat Rajasthan Assembly. Preliminary Election Commission figures say 65 to 68% people voted.
Now, a host of issues have figured in the Rajasthan campaign, but on voting day, it's worries over terrorism that seem to top the agenda for most voters. Rajan Mahan gets you the word from polling booths.
People began lining up to vote across Rajasthan from early morning. The numbers kept rising through the day, and the heavy police presence was only a visible sign of the heightened security concerns after the Mumbai terror attacks that seemed to dominate the minds of many voters.
कहीं भी सुरक्षित आदमी नहीं है, कहीं भी जावे घर वापस आने के कोई सोच ही नहीं सकता, जिंदा बच के आवे यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है। बड़ा मुद्दा यही है भाई आतंकवाद को हटाने के लिए, उसी के हिसाब से हम वोट दे रहे हैं।
Besides terror, a host of vital issues seem to have influenced voters. For some, it's the hope of better basic amenities like Bijli, Sadak, Pani. That's the main issue. But for many others, it's the corruption allegedly rampant in the Raja government that topped the agenda.
बहुत बड़ा इशू है राजस्थान के अंदर कि पैसा लोगों ने कमाया जो सिर्फ पावर में है, जो पब्लिक चूज करके लेके आई है, लेकिन पब्लिक वहीं की वहीं है। हमें कवर-अप आदमी नहीं चाहिए, अब हमें वो आदमी चाहिए चाहे वो किसी भी पार्टी का हो, लेकिन जो आदमी जनता के लिए काम कर सके।
A large number of rebel candidates and the BSP factor had already complicated the electoral arithmetic in Rajasthan that's traditionally seen a straight fight between the Congress and the BJP. And now with the Mumbai tragedy affecting lots of people here, it seems the electoral clash in the desert state is headed for a photo finish. In Jaipur, Rajan Mahan, for NDTV.